Hey everybody, my name is Jennifer from J Stern Designs, and I want to tell you about a fun live class I'm going to be teaching on patternreview.com October 21st. It's a Wednesday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to be teaching embroidered buttonholes. This is one of my favorite topics because embroidering a buttonhole using your embroidery machine in the hoop like this gives you the opportunity to create evenly spaced buttonholes that are all the same size. We're going to start out by talking about some really cool tools that make embroidering buttonholes super easy. One of my favorite ways to position buttonholes is this Slim Flex sewing expandable gauge. I'm going to show you how to use this. And then I'm going to talk about various stabilizers that work really well when you're embroidering buttonholes on your garment, as well as how to cut your buttonholes open after they're all set, and how to prep them with fray check, and then either use a seam ripper or a buttonhole cutter to cut your buttonholes open. The cool thing about embroidering buttonholes is you're not relying on the feed dogs to push and pull your fabric around the buttonhole, which gives it a very even, uniform appearance. Another reason why I like embroidering buttonholes is because at the very end of one of my favorite projects, making jeans or pants, you have to add a buttonhole. And if you've ever tried to sew a buttonhole on a waistband, especially if you're working with denim, it's usually pretty hard because you've got heavy seam allowances all around the end of your waistband. I'm going to show you how to embroider really easy buttonholes for pants and jeans. And then the other thing is, I'll show you how you can put them together and embroider them equally spaced, a few at a time. For example, in this hoop, you can see I have 3 buttonholes. I didn't have to worry about placing each one and stopping and starting. All I had to do was make sure they were the distance apart I wanted, and that I put my button placket in the hoop correctly. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So the other thing is, when you're doing embroidered buttonholes, they don't have to be standard. You can actually add embellishment to them. So here is a buttonhole with some leaf embroideries. This is a satin stitched decorative detail on this buttonhole. And then I have these mini buttonholes. This one actually looks like a butterfly. And then I played with some satin stitch balls or circles to create this cool decorative buttonhole. If your sewing machine has the feature where you can actually bring buttonholes into your embroidery, I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to show you how to combine mini embroidery designs with your buttonholes in your software. And then I'm going to also show you the complete process from start to finish. I hope you'll join me for this fun class. Again, it's Wednesday, October 21st at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on patternreview.com. I put the link below in the description so you can check out all the details. I hope to see you there.